Delegates have heard that the insurance sector should be a leader in reducing risk rather than just harnessing capacity for financial relief. Pandor says the increasingly chaotic actions by various world leaders suggests the need for global intervention toward logic and reason. The sector, she says, has a critical role to play in engaging global leadership groupings such as the G20, BRICS and other formations to work towards achieving human security.
We're living in a world in which we have polycrises, several very diverse sectoral crises, and they impact on the global community in a most terrible fashion. Violence, extremism, and other facets of risk which need to be attended to are included in that. Attention to addressing the needs of the poor and vulnerable, because even this can be a risk factor. And really my call was the conditions of global risk are so extensive that they cannot be addressed by one stakeholder in society, that all of us need to play a role in reducing risk and in addressing all the elements that contribute to increasing hatred, increasing conflict, increasing violence, destruction of institutions, and so on. So I was saying to them, it's not merely about business as usual, it's about doing things differently.
Senior policymakers, global reinsurers and experts in risk management have been meeting under the conference theme, Global Risk Resilience, harnessing collaborative power in a shifting global landscape. Topics discussed over the 2 days included terrorism, cyber and climate threats, as well as political violence.
One of the roles of international insurance, companies and professionals at this stage is to really rethink about what do we mean by risk. Because the other thing is that, we've lived in a world where there's been a particular kind of stability in the global economy, in global politics, since the end of the Second World War that was guaranteed by, particular countries in the world. And now that system isn't holding anymore. And places that we'd always thought of as very stable are now proving to be very unstable, and the ideas of which is a risky investment, where's a risky place, needs to be expanded to really match